Jalup Governor ma Kisumu Matthew Owili ko Director mar Bengi mar ABSA Moses Muthui otelone nyasi mar yawa yanga bad Bengi mar ABSA machielo e boma ma Kisumu kamano bedo bad Bengi no mar 87. Johala mawegi owuon, johala mag aswekra kod riwruoge mopogore biro yudo thuolo mar tiyo gi Bengi no eneno ni okel dongruok e gwenge ma imbo mar piny Kenya. No yawe yanga bang' romo mar juma achiel manokelo kanyakla jokanyo mar Bengi ABSA kod joma tiyo kode mawuok kuonde mopogore kamoting'o Kisumu, Kakamega, Kisii kod counties mamoko. Muthui bende medo ni Kisumu biro kelo dongruok maduong' ni mar oywayo johala mawuok e pinje malibamba mano piny mar Uganda kod Tanzania.
We are open for all classes of businesses. We are open in all communities and counties around the country. And Kisumu is special to us. Since the first brick of this building was laid close to 100 years ago, we've been here. And it's a commitment we have as a bank to places that are progressive and grounded like Kisumu is.
Looking at what has happened today, it's a call to action to all our customers who are enjoying the Prestige proposition to come and see what you've done to them. And this is a commitment from the bank to continue evolving with the modern times and ensuring that we take care of them.
You at ABSA are our very core partners in the development of this county. When we came into government in 2017, we decided right from day one that we would like to revive the economy of Kisumu, and the most important aspect of that revival would be the revitalization of the port and the connection of the port with the port of Mombasa and the port of Lamu.